What the heck were you just doing, Angel?
Oh no, I don't know. I want a water grass type. Leave them be.
Today is a sad day, sort of, but a happy day in another way. We are selling the 91 green little Srgt drift race rocket drift missile thing that I have in my storage unit to my good buddy Luke. So let's go ahead and get over there. I'm slightly late, so thank you, Luke, for waiting for me, buddy. We'll be there in a minute. So, Luke, you ready to see your sweet new whip?
Yeah, always.
Oh, hell yeah, brother.
Oh, Billy.
Yeah,
This
it sure do.
This is a car.
It's got 4 wheels.
No, that's not how you do it.
Oh, you're right. You're right. You're right.
That's how you do it.
That's right. I forgot. I own a Miata.
Sounds like my car, jeez.
They do be.
Miata problems.
You had a problem? All 80 horsepower, baby. Ah, here it works. Happy at least that works.
Ooh, that tick though. That tick though.
It's like that. I'm gonna have to get new door speakers though.
We're gonna do everything.
Probably. Just getting a whole new car. I only bought it to buy a new one.
I'll just pull a Yui up here. Yeah.
Oh, don't you worry. We're pulling a Yui.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oof. Ooh.
Don't worry about it. You ready?
I would be careful.
My dad's gonna be so disappointed. But he's already disappointed in me,
Have you
so.
shown him pictures of it?
No.
Okay, he's gonna be very disappointed.
He's gonna yell at me, I know it is.
If he's disappointed with you buying a Miata, he's gonna be more
like-
disappointed with how it looks.
Yeah, he is. I'm literally just gonna be telling my dad this is what I'm learning on. And he's like, but it makes noises.
I
Yeah.
mean, for what you're spending, I guess. That lifter tick though is scary.
Yeah. He's driven it with 2,000 miles on it. I mean, I'm not worried about it getting it home, that's for sure.
What was that?
He freaked did not want to kick the car out.
Luke, are you pleased with your 91 vehicle?
Yeah.
That should work. This should work.
Yeah, it's something. I bought it to learn and have fun with.
It
That's
has
exactly
4 wheels and an engine.
4 wheels and an engine and a working clutch. I think.
It's a working
I hope.
clutch. It's a brand new clutch.
Okay, then yeah, then a working clutch.
Meet Angel, guys.
Hi guys, how you doing?
And meet
Jake.
Jake Schnell, he has a red SRT4 bag.
Wimp, Mr. Non-Static. Huh?
Yeah.
You don't like scratching the bottom of your car and rotting it out? Come on.
He's got the fastest car out of all of us here though.
What are you talking about? I think this thing will spank everything here.
Everything here? No, not the KO4. Not the KO4.
All right, everybody take a Capri Sun.
What?
Ooh, thank you.
Angel,
Capri Sun.
Capri Sun.
Capri Sun. Y'all know about this life.
Respect the pouch. Respect it.
It's time for the sweet Miata to go.
I'll treat her well.
Sad, but happy that somebody else is making use of it.
You
instead
better
of just saying,
play that song "Till You See Me Again" from the Fast 7. What? Turn your Bluetooth off. Oh, oopsie. Bye, buddy.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place.
All right, we're back, guys. Let's see how it sounds on startup. If we're gonna blow it up or not. Moment of truth. Hell yeah, it's going! Woo! The twisted works!
Oof. Ooh, don't worry about it.
Woo! All right, and that's that.
When I see you again.
Alright guys, so that is going to be the end to this vlog. The green Miata is gone. It's a bittersweet day. That was my first Miata. It's a 91 NA6 Miata that had a VLSD rear end, bone stock engine. It was at like 185,000 miles. And I wanted to go ahead. It had a bad rod bearing cap on the bottom end of it, and it ticked at like 4,000. It clacked. And I wanted to go ahead and actually fix it, but with the Joker Miata right now, I just didn't have enough time for it. So I sold it to my buddy Luke, who you saw earlier in the video, and he's gonna go ahead and pull the engine and do everything that needs to be done to it for his first Miata. So best of luck to you, Luke, and I hope you enjoy that sweet car, whatever it is, with an engine on wheels. Till next time, guys, peace.